I'm Dr. Ranjana Bhattacharjee. I'm a senior scientist, a molecular breeder at the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture based in Ibadan, Nigeria. This particular workshop is timely, mainly because it is bringing not only the experts from plants or agriculture, but also bringing the experts for animals and the human health. It has brought a lot of experts across the board, and I actually got connected personally with a lot of people, right from animals as well as from the human side, which I didn't do earlier. Genomics is one of the technology that is actually making plant breeding very useful because it shortens the life cycle of plant breeding. For example, in case of yams, it takes about 8 to 10 months for the breeding cycle. However, and if you want to generate a hybrid in yam, then it takes about 7 to 8 years. However, with genomic selection or genomics assisted breeding, now we can reduce the life cycle or the breeding cycle by several years, and it can be about 4 to 5 years. This also has a relationship with livestock. So if we can build a continuum between agriculture and livestock and also human health, then genomics plays a huge role, because if we can find the food or the plants that are nutritious and then human or animals eat those nutritious food, then they remain healthy. And health is becoming very, very important, not only for human beings but also for animals. So we need to make sure that we generate food or plants through genomic assisted breeding, which are not only climate resilient and resistant with abiotic and biotic stresses, but also nutritionally very high. So genomics really plays a big role. The one thing that I really want to emphasize more from the scientist's point of view is we scientists, we are very passionate about what we do, but we also need to communicate our work more with the policymakers as well as other stakeholders, for example, farmers or the consumers, so that we can reach out to the broader audience and they can see what we do as scientists. Kenya should do well and adopt all the new technologies so that development can happen across the continent, and Kenya should lead all those research as well as the discussions with the policymakers and the stakeholders so that it can be adopted across Africa. I have been the recipient of the Greater Good Initiative Award from Illumina, and I am really thankful to Illumina as well as FNS for supporting my coming over here, and also recognizing the impact that has been made through Greater Good Initiative Award to the research program that I am running. So I'm really thankful to both Illumina as well as FNS. Thank you. Thank you very much.